So, what have I got? We got some Bandai Gundam. These are from, well, this one again, Build Divers. The Build Divers series.
The what?
I can't remember if these have been out before, but I have a feeling they have been.
Is this part of the new movie?
No.
Oh.
No. So this is an earlier series. It's got a year on it.
1927.
2023.
I can hear people test driving the slot cars right now.
December 2023. Well, it's got to be new then. That's got to be new.
You're telling the story. You're the expert.
This one says new too.
I like this guy.
What is that?
I'm going to open him.
There you go.
You can sit here looking at dates. I'm going in. I'm going box diving.
What do we got?
I love the color palette. Once again, the color palette pleasantly surprises me.
This is what everyone expects to have a Bandai kit. At least one sprue with multiple colors on it.
Why?
It's just a trademark.
What, they
of
have
Bandai.
to do one sprue with multiple colors?
They seem to do it. Every single one.
I think they're just showing off.
They probably are.
Where's the one in that
this
one? Oh, you got that one? Oh, that's
multicolours.
That's a bit garish, isn't it?
How about all that? All the transparent green.
It hurts my eyes.
Does it? I'm sorry. I cover it up.
This one's way more supple. Look at this. Ooh.
You like that purple?
Ooh. It's gorgeous. It's
You don't want
tonal.
that colour?
It's tonal. The way that the colours throw against each other is phenomenal. Not sure what that means, but I've heard other people use those words.
Congratulations on using those in a sentence.
There you go. I want to go.
All right, so what do we got? We've got a Diver Arc. And what's that one? That's a Plutine Gundam.
I thought you were going to say something else then. I was going to say, Putin's not our friend.
Isn't Plutine a Canadian food?
A Russian dictator.
No.
No?
Apart from that. No. It's got chips and like cheese curds
Not a
and
plantain.
gravy.
No, you're getting confused with plantain.
No, plantain is like a giant banana that doesn't taste sweet.